Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Notion templates from the community, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Navigate to the Notion community page. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up. Once logged in, explore the different categories of templates available. Select a category that interests you, such as personal, work, or education. Browse through the templates listed within the chosen category. Click on a template that catches your eye to view more details. On the template details page, take a moment to read the description and review user comments. If you're interested in using the template, look for a button that says duplicate or use this template. Click on this button to add the template to your own Notion workspace. You may be prompted to select the workspace where you want to save the template. Choose your desired workspace and click duplicate again to confirm. Your new template will now appear in your workspace. To customize it, navigate to your Notion workspace and find the duplicated template. Open the template and start editing to fit your needs. Feel free to add, remove, or modify any sections as you see fit. Remember to explore other templates as more options can enhance your Notion experience. Once you've personalized your template, make sure to organize it within your workspace for easy access. Enjoy using your new Notion template from the community. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.